Welcome to our channel How Easy To. If you want to learn more about self-care, good health, and many more, be sure to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon. Let's talk about how to get rid of smelly feet. If you have smelly feet and your shoes come off, chances are, someone in the same room will notice the stench. But why do feet smell so bad? Here are some key points about smelly feet. Smelly feet are not commonly a medical concern, but this can cause a problem with your relationship with others and cause self-consciousness. For most cases, this is due to a buildup of moisture and sweat, which results in bacteria growth on the skin. These bacteria cause bad odors. People naturally have bacteria that live on the feet. However, this only creates a bad smell when the bacteria rid themselves of wastes from breaking down dead skin cells and oils. The bacteria not only live on your feet but in the dirty socks and shoes that cover them. When feet sweat a lot, they give off an extra smelly bacteria. Finding ways to stop the bacteria from growing would stop the feet from smelling. There are ways you can help keep your feet clean, dry, and odor-free. 1. Wash your feet daily. Make a habit to wash and scrub your feet every day by using a washcloth, soap, and water. Be sure to wash between your toes thoroughly. It's important to dry your feet completely after washing before putting on your clean socks and shoes. Pay special attention between your toes, where any wetness can easily cause bacteria to grow. If your shoes are washable, put them in the washing machine. 2. Clip your toenails. Clip your toenails, often so they're short, and make sure to clean them regularly. 3. Soak your feet. If soap and water don't seem to help, soak your feet for 20 minutes once a week. You could use a solution of warm water and either Epsom salt, Listerine, or vinegar. 4. Use a foot file. If there is a hard dead skin, remove this from your feet with a foot file. Hard skin gets soggy and soft when it's wet, which can create a place for bacteria to live. 5. Change your socks once a day. If your feet become sweaty in a hot environment or exercising, wear a new clean pair of socks. Wearing the same socks and shoes that are filled with bacteria and sweat can worsen smelly feet. It may help to wear open-toed sandals in warm weather conditions, and go barefoot indoors when appropriate to allow your feet to stay dry. It's also best to wear socks and shoes that let your feet breathe. The best socks to wear are the athletic socks with moisture-wicking fabric. The moisture wicking has two jobs. One is quickly moving, wicking sweat to the fabric's outer surface, and the other is drying rapidly so that your sweat doesn't soak the fabric. This results in a much more comfortable wear because your body can control its temperature efficiently and the fabric touching your skin has a non-sticky, dry feel. 6. Wear the right footwear. Mesh athletic or real leather shoes are recommended. Avoid wearing shoes that are made of synthetic materials. You can find foot odor powders that are deodorants. There are others that absorb sweat. Use cornstarch or powder in your shoes. Avoid shoes that are tight or may continue to moisture. Rotate shoes you wear so that they have a chance to dry completely between uses. 7. Replace insoles. You could switch out your shoe insoles with an odor-reducing or antibacterial insoles. Another option is to purchase an disinfectant or an antibacterial spray to use on the insoles. With a general household disinfectant, spray this into your shoes, including the insoles, and then let them dry. However, this option is not usually as effective as allowing the insoles of the shoes to dry out fully. 8. Use essential oils. Applying juniper oil and benzoin to the feet can help get rid of odor-causing bacteria. Other essential oils with antimicrobial activity also can help. Essential oils can be quite strong and may irritate skin. The skin on your feet is thick, but do test the oil first on a small patch of skin. If it happens to stings, mix the oil with some water before rubbing it on your feet. Smelly feet is not a common sign of a health problem unless there's an infection. If you see there's an infection, or there are no improvements in the odor, it is recommended to see a doctor. If your feet are continually sweaty, this could be a condition called plantar hyperhidrosis. and excessive foot sweating could interfere with daily activities. A doctor may prescribe a prescription antiperspirant, prescription cream, or nerve-blocking medication to reduce sweating. Even if you have a condition that leaves you prone to foot odor, taking steps to keep your feet clean and dry will help with the smell. We hope you enjoyed our video. If our video was beneficial to you, please don't forget to hit the like button and share your experience with us in the comments below.